This church should be air conditioned. It's unhealthy for people to sleep in a stuffy room. There's the preacher who keeps on bragging that his sermons are well trimmed. The congregation keeps on looking at their watches. The preacher kept on going with his sermons for hours and hours. Somebody from the congregation walked out, was leaving, and the preacher asked, "Why are you leaving?" He said, "I need a haircut." The preacher asked, "Why didn't you get a haircut before you came to church?" He said, "I didn't need one then." The preacher was preaching for a long time, and then somebody walks out. The wife goes to the preacher and says, "Please, it wasn't anything about your sermon. He's just been sleepwalking for a long time."